Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuses and the relays for the oxygen sensor heater, also known as O2 sensor heater fuses and relays, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. The oxygen sensor heater fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here guys. Now by the way guys, both of these models will be built on the same platform. It should apply to both. The major difference is the Tahoe is shorter than the Suburban. And quick advice from us, most people do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes in that SUV, more, I think about 5 of them. It's okay if you don't know about them. We made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location, Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. Check it out guys. Now we need to open the hood, and today we got lucky because we'll work in a fuse box that's easy to access. Facing the engine, it's on the right side, here on the driver's side. That cover needs to be removed, and when you remove it, you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, 2 fuses will need to be checked, but for any of you guys that want to see how to test oxygen sensor, how to test upstream and downstream oxygen sensors, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will guys teach you how to do that, so check it out. Now specifically, if we come guys in that row of fuses right here, we need to first check fuse number 90. We're talking about this fuse right here. Then you need to check one more, because this is for bank 1. Now we need to check for bank 2. And bank 2 guys, it's fuse number 100. It's that 15 amp fuse. So it's that one, this one here. These 2 fuses are the ones that you need to check. What about a relay? You don't have a specific relay for that. You have engine computer relay. If you want to see where it's located, we have the video on the channel. However guys, if that engine computer relay doesn't work, most of the times other functions will not work, and most likely the engine will not even start. So check these fuses if you have problems with oxygen sensors, oxygen sensor heaters or anything like that. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.